Yes, be ready. I would submit that in spite of the figures that have been given over there, the problems of accumulation of stocks remain as serious and as acute as ever, because this small shortfall, which is now visible in the accumulation of stocks, is largely due to the decreased production and not increased of take either by the internal consumers or through export stop. Therefore, the question of accumulated stocks remains as baffling as ever, in spite of the investigations of the committee and the recommendations that the committee has already made and which the government has already accepted. Stop. To my mind, the real problem that the textile industry faces is the problem of these accumulated stocks, and that can only be solved by finding some way whereby either this stock is sold within the country or outside the country. Stop. At one point, the report says that a large part of the stock is unwanted and unsaleable because it consists of coarse dhotis and sarees which are not required by the market. Stop. Consumer preference is for finer varieties, and therefore this coarse stock is lying idle. Stop. If that be so, the government and the trade will have to apply their mind to find out what inducement can be given to the consumers in order to see that somehow or other this stock is taken off the hands of the industry. Stop. Sir, when we heard about the burning of wheat and potatoes in the United States because production there was in excess of the requirements of that country, we were laughing over it here. Stop. When a large number of people of other countries are dying of hunger, it is rather preposterous that these stocks should be destroyed in the United States. Stop. What is happening in our country regarding these dhotis and sarees is that while a large number of people are going without adequate clothing, these stocks are getting deteriorated in the hands of the mills. Stop. Therefore, just as we demanded that the stocks of wheat and potatoes in the United States should be given to other countries where they are badly needed on certain advantageous conditions, sooner or later the industry and the government will have to come to the same conclusion regarding this stock which is lying with the industry today. Stop. There is no other way of solving this problem because, as the committee rightly points out, it is an unwanted stock. Stop.